Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and today I wanna share with you more of my journey with Milan Art Institute. In one of the previous videos, I talked more about my experience with traditional art school and that I actually had the opportunity to go to multiple art schools and have different art education experience in Ukraine and also abroad. So I did a college of art and design in my hometown, and then I moved to the west of the country and I got bachelor's degree in fine art in the art academy on the west side of Ukraine, and I also have like different art programs in US and Asia. The last school I did was Milan Art Institute in Arizona, and that's what was my favorite art education experience, I would say, overall. So I feel like I'm having a lot of experience, like enough experience to actually talk on this topic and compare different art educational system, because I actually went through any kind probably that it's out there during my education over the last 10 years. So yeah, Milan Art Institute was definitely like the best decision I ever made, and it was such an eye-opening experience to how different and how more rich and exciting art education could be. And also, if you're interested in hearing more on my experience and my perspective on traditional art education, I will link a video down below, and it also will be here probably, because I already filmed about that and I went more into details in that video, so make sure to check it out. I can honestly say that I never ever got better art schooling from what I get from Milan Art Institute, and I'm probably the biggest fan of the way they're teaching and the work they're doing with online programs and with inside mastery program. It's just so unique and amazing, and I can't really talk enough about that. So when I came to States to study with Milan family, it was such a wonderful experience overall, and I finally felt that I fall in love completely and wholeheartedly with the painting and with art process and with idea of being an artist, like just fully fall in love with all the process. When before I kind of knew I'm an artist, I kind of knew it's what I'm supposed to do in my life and probably it's my destiny, I guess, but it was just like so hard going through traditional art education and just the way the system works and how it all operates. It was so exhausting, and so going through all this complicated training, it was like so draining and so hard to actually understand what it's all about and what I'm gonna do with my life and how art and life intertwined in my personal journey. It was barely and hardly motivational and inspirational to keep going, so that just it was, and I'm honestly saying just my experience, but I was so disappointed after my graduation and I didn't know what to do and what's my art career gonna look like in the future, because I was just like so tired and unmotivated. So yeah, that's just what happened. I remember going to this random workshop someone suggested me that Ellie Milan was doing with her family. So yeah, I was all over again reminded of my purpose and my dream. And after that workshop with Ellie and Dimitra, I decided, okay, I really need to talk to them like privately and just to share my heart and my dreams I have as an artist. And I don't know, I just really felt that like that's what I'm supposed to do, and I would just ask and see if they have time to meet and talk, and which they had, and it was really amazing. And to my surprise, they don't just invite me actually to come for a program at their institute, but they also offered me a scholarship, which really made a huge difference because I could not make it myself back then, and I could not be thankful enough really for this opportunity, and it's changed my life in so many ways. And from there, the whole another journey started, and it was so liberating and so empowering. Like every class, every conversation, every technique, every presentation, it just was so full of meaning and purpose and greatness. And I don't remember myself being so passionate about something like I was feeling there. And it's kind of felt like, you know, when you find a real treasure, like a gold, like everything was a gold, everything was like so rich of meaning. And it's just like every assignment I did, every technique I tried, I grew up so much as an artist and as a person as well. And I love to say that like being there, I rediscover my passion, I find my voice, my artistic voice, and I found my personal style. And from that moment, my art career really took off, and I was able to launch finally my professional art career. And I got gallery and after that I got gallery representation. I started selling my work online and to the art collectors. I found every little single moment of my art process exciting and interesting, and it really made the huge difference of how I approach art and creativity right now. I found the very core of why I'm painting and what are these stories that inside of me that needs to be told and need to be expressed, and what is this message that I carry and my story is carrying that this world needs to hear. It was such a beautiful transformation, and I'm feeling so blessed, and I'm feeling so thankful to God for this opportunity and to their whole family for giving me this ticket to actually fulfill my dream and became who I am today. I'm so thankful for all the inspiration, all the conversation, all the guidance through this process of discovering my voice and becoming a real artist in this journey. And why this school is so different and so unique from any other school, that everyone is so passionate and they're living what they're teaching. They're not just teaching like from books or from just like common knowledge, but they actually live everything they teach. And their whole family doing art and sells constantly, and they experience themselves everything in their art career, and they discovered what works and what doesn't work in the art world, and everyone is so passionate about the process, and they will help you to find the process and the style of painting that fits your personality, which was also a really crucial thing for me. And they teach traditional and classical way of oil painting and drawing as well, but they're more concentrate of actually finding your voice and finding your expression, and you just you just exposed to so many different techniques, and you got to try all of them, and then you can see what fits you and what really makes you enjoy art and what is your thing that you want to do in your art process, which is really unique. And I don't think anyone out there is like so concentrated of this part, which is a crucial part for any successful artist, to having your own style and your voice, which is recognizable and 100% you and your story. So yeah, and it's also marketing and branding and all kinds of important and fun stuff involved in the learning process. I'm really passionate about that. That's why I can talk lots about it, but I think it's good. And also just telling you guys, I have online mastery program right now, which is like 100% identical to the on-site program, and it's 1-year program that will help you to become a professional, successful artist in just 1 year. It helps you with everything you need to know to become a professional artist, and it suits people who already have knowledge or some experience in the art or any other training. And it's also for everyone that never touch a paintbrush or a pencil but have passion inside of them and have a deep desire to become an artist, because they teach from how to hold a pencil to branding and marketing and selling your work to the gallery. So it's basically, it's really intense, but it's so fun and so rich in information and just helpful tips on your art career and just technical things. So I highly recommend it. And the next enrollment is actually opening right now, and I think it will be around a week when you can register, and it will be open for 1 week. So if you can really wait to start, and if you feel so it's a great opportunity if you want to start right now and you can wait and you just want to go. Open enrollment is coming, actually starting right now, so I will link the art school website down below and you can go there and check it out, and maybe it's your time to start your artistic journey. And I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed. It's probably the best art school I ever did. So make sure to check it out, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and I see you guys next week. Bye.